2015 Tier 1, number Twomsley 5. Whoever finishes on top does get the mystery box. Nice, Tom. Sick, nasty card. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The man, the myth, the legend. Doug! A nasty dog! Drop a digit, Doug. It looks like my left side, or I'm so confused. Well, he has like 19 spots in the break, so that helps too. Box number 18 is not available. I'm gonna freak. 16 is the very one on the bottom, Doug. Doug takes the first adventure to the right side. Doug takes the first adventure to the right side of the stack. We'll see what Doug is rewarded with. Number 16. Right? Nasty preferred dog. This is Tier 1 number 25, Ben's cards. And Bowman Sterling Baseball. Not a bad mystery box, sir. Not a bad mystery box. You got it, Doug. Thank you. And here is a quick look at your squads. If I can find it with this new setup. Where's that? There we go. Clicking buttons everywhere. Take a quick gander. I put this out there. Well, thank you, Tom. Where's their Victoria's Secret at? Here we go, Rays. Here we go. Kenny, I got to tell you, dude, it was pretty, I didn't really get to experience it that much because I was working so much, but it was pretty cool. Definitely enjoyed my time there. But I like my bed. I like my pool. I like my wife. And I kind of like the U.S. of A. But I'll gladly go back to Tokyo and Taipei. I mean, he was doing some work, too. He was doing some work. Right? And I said like and not love. Yeah, we had to meet some action. TG Cougar, look what I learned, dude. TG Cougar got me this. Nasty TG Cougar sent me some rum and a Joe Boo shirt. Lou Miggs. Lou, are you going to Chicago? See? Oh, where is Joe Boo? He's in witness protection right now. A lot of people are very mad at him. You'll go to Cleveland, but not Chicago? Are you kidding me? Nice, Lou Bob. I'm a huge White Sox fan, so does that qualify me as from Chicago as well? Can I get in on that club? Coach Lou, you are not the father. You are not in this, sir. You're a Cubs fan? Where's the chicken? I wonder what a stick figure chicken would look like. You know what? Looks like absolute shit. But I'm going to own it. I'm going to own it. Number to 399, Rafael Montero. Number to 399, Andres Galarraga. Number to 50, Jay Bruce. Number to 25, Adam Jones. Yeah, Chris Bryant's kind of on fire. Number to 225, Starling Marte. Mike Matheny, number to 25 for the Red Sox. To 299 for the Dodgers, Zach Greinke. Number to 175, Andrew McCutchen. Yeah, he just got called up, didn't he? To 225, Tyson Ross for the Padres. To 399, Eric Davis for the Reds. 399, Adam Wainwright for the Cardinals. Yes, Brendan. To 349, Shane Green for the Yankees. To 399, Brandon Crawford for the Giants. To 399 for the Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts. Spectre Divisional is after this, and then Exquisite, and then I believe F and Catalina, and then Tier 1. To 349, Michael Taylor. Are you being serious? 2 for 2 with a homer and 4 ribbies? Oh my goodness. To 99, 3-color, Paul Goldschmidt. Nice card of Paul. To 399, Shelby Miller. Catalina is, I believe, 4 breaks away. Oh, no way. Oh. Michael Jordan, game used autographed jersey. Babe Ruth, Lou Gehrig, dual cut auto was pretty sick. Derek Jeter bat barrels. I pulled a pretty big amount of stuff. To 225, Kyle Sager. Number to 99, Early Win for the Indians. Doug, holla at your boy. 2 of 5. Ricky Knows Tier 1. That is a huge card. Nasty. Sick card. Wow. That's disgusting, sir. Oh, number 399 for the Blue Jays, Aaron Sanchez. There you go, Mo. To 25 for the Rockies, Troy Tulowitzki. To 399, Adrian Gonzalez for the Dodgers. To 3. Oh, hello, Bat Barrel. What? Bat Barrel? A Bat Barrel? We're talking about a Bat Barrel here. Number to 399, C.J. Cron. What? What? Number to 299, Omar Vizquel. And hopefully he already put the kids to bed because this dude is on a never-ending heater. 1 of 1, Mike Zunino. Going to Nick. The man is on one of the most historic heaters in the history of breaking. I think it even rivals a Moz heater. Wow, it's got pine. Wow, that's so sick. A nasty card. Not yet, Burgundy. That's sold out. We're like 7 breaks deep. To $3.99, Joe Panic. Raifong to $3.99. Your Asian heater was disgusting. To $3.99, Carlos Delgado for the Blue Jays. To $1.99, Andre Dawson. To $1.99, Thomas Glavine. Number to 50, Patrick Corbin. Number to $3.99, David Eckstein. $3.99, Chris Davis. Tomas Glavine is French. To $2.25, Kevin Gosman. Oh, Nana. Number to $3.99, Marcus Stroman. To $1.49, Orlando Cepeda. To $3.99, Miguel Cabrera. Number to $2.99, Chippa Jones. One of Fung. One of Fung. Roger Clemens going to Card Degen. A nasty Card Degen. Oh, Roger Dodger in and out. That's a 101. What a sick case. That is straight bananas. That's right, Luigi. Wow. Bat Barrel. Ricky Nose, Tier 1. And 1 of 1, Roger Clemens. Thanks, everybody. I do appreciate it.